In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a payout method on Airbnb in 2026 step by step. If you're hosting on Airbnb, setting up your payout method is an important step because it tells Airbnb how you want to receive your earnings. The good news is that the process is straightforward and I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along without confusion. Start by opening Airbnb and signing in to your host account. Make sure you're logged into the correct account, especially if you manage more than one profile or listing. Once you're signed in, go to the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile picture. From the menu that appears, select Account. This will take you to your account settings where you can manage your hosting and payment preferences. Next, look for the Payments and Payouts section. Click into that area to access the settings related to both guest payments and host earnings. From there, select the Payouts tab. This is the section where you control how Airbnb sends you money. Now click Add Payout Method. Airbnb will then show you the payment options available in your country or region. Depending on where you're located, you may see choices like a bank account, PayPal, Payoneer, or other supported methods. Choose the option that works best for you. After that, enter the required payment details. This may include account information and other personal details needed to process payouts correctly. Take your time here and enter everything carefully, because even a small mistake could delay your payments. In some cases, Airbnb may ask you to complete a verification process. If that happens, just follow the prompts to confirm your identity or payment information. This is a normal security step and helps protect your account. Once you've entered everything, review your payout details carefully, double check that all the information is accurate and up to date. If everything looks correct, click Save or Submit to add the payout method to your account. If you want to use this method for future earnings, set it as your default payout method. That way, Airbnb will automatically send upcoming payouts there unless you change it later. Finally, wait for confirmation from Airbnb that your payout method has been successfully added and is ready to receive payments. In some cases, approval may be instant, while other times it can take a little longer depending on the method you selected. And that's it! You've now added a payout method on Airbnb. Just make sure to keep your payment information current so there are no interruptions when it's time to receive your hosting earnings.